food laboratory. It is medium scale, like semi-automatic processing line. It has the washing phase, and the shredding and filtration phase, and then the mixing. After that, there's a cooking phase, and then automatic filling phase.
This facility is very important, looking at the current trends in food safety and food processing. This facility will be of good use because of the machines that has been installed here. Because when the students come, they will get their on-hand experience. And when you live here, you know how to process a lot of food raw materials in the country. So it is very good to us.